Good. This is just touching it. This is as low as it can go. Here we go. Ah, cut out again. Lipo cut off, maybe?
I don't think so.
Battery dead?
I don't think so.
I think it might be lipo cut off. Yeah, I think it is. Where's your backflip?
No, a standing backflip all the way.
Where'd my car go?
See that one tire? Do the thing cut off then. Oh, look at the ESC count. Power. Irrational.
How much throttle was that?
Barely half.
Bullet.
50-50. We split the price of the parts.
Okay. This thing got off the ground.
Did you also do that? No.
It would if I didn't have a It would if I didn't have a wheelie bar on it. It probably could have done a standing backflip.
Yes, sure.
If I had enough traction. I didn't have any traction with the Anacondas.
I think it is cutting it out through the lipo cutoff.
Whoa, turn. They're going in that driveway.
Man, this thing is like nuts.
Car. Filming.
Here's one good speed run coming up. Couldn't touch it without wheeling. I think I got a motor for it.
That full?
Yeah.
Not bad.